Hi, I'm Bernie Linstead,
Hi, I'm Mike Hammond. We're Leading Edge Equipment
and today we're going to talk to you about the 600 series Flex Draper platform
and the compatibility of it working on a 70 series STS combine.
as well as some features and benefits of possibly upgrading your auger platform.
To begin, let's note ContourMaster is recommended to optimize the operations of a 600 FD drapers.
If considering a 40-foot draper, remember a 26-foot auger is required.
Verify your 70 series combine is equipped with an 800 millimeter, 80 millimeter lift cylinders. And always remember, when working around headers, always use your header lockup safeties.
Your combine controller calls for the latest software for your machine and header to operate safely and properly. Verify your machine's serial number and reference our compatibility flow chart for complete details.
John Deere 600 series draper belt system ensured smooth feeding, taken into the center, carried into a belt with smooth feeding right into the front auger to the feeder house for smooth operations.
The 600 FDs have a true cutting width and unique Draper style cutting system, delivering high capacity feeding that is required of high capacity John Deere combines.
Optional header height sensing for ridge cut mode ground contacting sensors are available on our 600 FD HydroFlex drapers. 3 sensors are standard. When you put it on, it'll give you the ability of cutting right on the ground up to 14 inches high with these things contacting the ground. There is an update that you can run 4 sensors with a kit containing 1 sensor assembly and necessary harnessing.
The 600 series HydroFlex Draper hydraulic float system features 7.5-inch float range, in which you, the operator, hydraulically controls the float of the cutter bar by a simple turn of the knob in the cab to optimize the float pressure. This provides exceptional cutter bar flexibility in flex mode throughout the entire working pressure range, allowing for control and adjustment of cutter bar ground pressure depending upon varying ground conditions throughout the day and within the same field.
And they also provide support for the cutter bar and the draper belts.
Quick and easy access to drive components is provided on the John Deere 600 FD HydroFlex Draper platforms. Drive shafts and gear cases replace belts and chains to increase reliability and reduce daily maintenance.
Dual knife drive is standard on all 600 FD HydroFlex Draper platform. This dual knife drive system is timed from the PTO to the inline gearbox, driveline protection, providing customers with the strongest knife drive system in the industry.
Keep this information in mind if you're a current 70 series STS owner-operator and/or utilize an older auger platform.
To find out more about our current inventory on the Flex Draper platform, contact any of the sales team members at Leading Edge Equipment, locations in Michigan, Devils Lake, Carrington, and Hamden.